Mastering Adjective Collocations, Common Mistakes. Welcome to our English language learning video on mastering adjective collocations and avoiding common mistakes. In this video, we will explore how to use adjectives correctly in collocations, which are commonly used word combinations. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to avoid the most common errors and enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in. One of the common mistakes English learners make is misusing adjectives in collocations. Collocations are word combinations that naturally go together, and when an adjective is misused, it can affect the meaning and clarity of a sentence. Let's explore some of the most frequent mistakes and learn how to correct them. 1. Using the wrong adjective in collocations. One common mistake is using an adjective that doesn't collocate with the noun, resulting in an unnatural or confusing phrase. For example, instead of saying, strong coffee, some learners might say, powerful coffee, which is not the appropriate collocation. The correct phrase is, strong coffee, because strong collocates naturally with coffee. 2. Overusing certain adjectives. Another mistake is overusing certain adjectives, which can make your speech or writing repetitive and less effective. For instance, repeatedly using amazing or awesome to describe everything can diminish the impact of your words. Instead, try using a variety of adjectives to express different shades of meaning. 3. Incorrect word order. Word order is crucial in adjective collocations, and placing adjectives in the wrong order can lead to confusion. The general rule is to use opinion adjectives before fact adjectives. For example, it is correct to say, a beautiful old house, but incorrect to say, an old beautiful house. Remember to follow this order to maintain clear and accurate communication. 4. Overcomplicating with unnecessary adjectives. Avoid overcomplicating your sentences with unnecessary adjectives that don't contribute to the meaning or create confusion. Instead, aim for simplicity and clarity in your language. Stick to the essential adjectives that effectively convey your intended message. Now that we have identified the common mistakes, let's explore how to correct them and improve our use of adjective collocations. 1. Building a strong adjective collocation vocabulary. To avoid using the wrong adjective in collocations, it is essential to build a strong vocabulary of adjective collocations. Read and listen to English materials regularly to expose yourself to various adjective-noun combinations. Pay attention to how native speakers use adjectives with specific nouns to create natural-sounding collocations. 2. Consulting reliable language resources. When in doubt, consult reliable language resources such as dictionaries, collocation dictionaries, or online language forums. These resources can provide valuable guidance on which adjectives collocate naturally with specific nouns. Remember to cross-reference multiple sources to ensure accuracy. 3. Practicing with sample sentences. Practice is key to improving your understanding and usage of adjective collocations. Create sample sentences using adjective collocations and ask for feedback from native speakers or language instructors. Additionally, engage in conversations or writing exercises where you actively apply these collocations. With time and practice, you'll become more comfortable and confident in using adjectives correctly. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this English language learning video on misusing adjectives with collocations. By avoiding the common mistakes discussed and implementing the corrective strategies, you'll be well on your way to mastering adjective collocations. Remember to build your